182 voted against, and 194 voted in favor.
Amanye amalungu ePhalamende asichithile isabelo mali athi asihambisani nenhlalo yabantu baseNingizimu Afrika kanti ukukhushulwa kwentela kuzothikameza kakhulu abantu bakuleli.
MK Party does not support this report. It is far from addressing the budget requirements and challenges of our beloved country.
From the outset, Action SA has fiercely opposed any increase in VAT and the personal income tax bracket creep.
EFF ithi izolisa enkantolo lolu daba.
We feel very strong about the money bill not being followed properly to the latter. That on its own gives us grounds to approach the courts, but that depends on what our lawyers are saying this evening.
Amanye amaqembu asesekile.
It's easy to say asifuni VAT increase, asifuni corporate income tax increase, but then what do we want? What are the alternatives?
This budget contains hope and plans that there will be more policing. There will be more jobs for the people.
IFP neyingxenye yeGNU ithi angeke idansele isiginci seDA.
If the DA think that their views are a master plan for all of us, they must wake up and think again. We are here to represent our constituency. We are here to represent the people of South Africa. We are not here to take mandate from the Democratic Alliance.
Ukuze siphase lesabelo mali, iNC bekumele ithole amavoti ayi100 emavotini angamakhulu 4 amalungu ePhalamende.